Hello, welcome to the Block Miner. Today's video is about how to run a miner without a dedicated monitor. Have you ever been into a situation where your mining rig works just fine with monitor connected, but as you disconnect monitor from your rig, it don't fire up? Recently I had same issue with Gigabyte H110 D3A motherboard. I went through the motherboard BIOS settings. Everything was just fine. Internal graphics were enabled. Primary display was selected as onboard graphics, but still rig wasn't working without a dedicated monitor. So if you're facing same issue, keep watching this video till the end. If you try to Google about this issue, you will find a very popular and easy solution of using a dummy plug into your motherboard. But today I will show you two new ways to fix this. Let's get started. Very first solution is to install a TeamViewer. Install the TeamViewer from official website, and after installing it, just tick this option, Start TeamViewer with Windows. Most chances are this easy trick will fix the issue. If this trick works for you, give a thumbs up and subscribe. If this is not working for you, here's the second trick. But before that, make sure you have your monitor connected to motherboard, not your graphics card. First you have to put your sleep settings to never. I will tell you the reason later. Now go to your system's device manager. Expand display adapters option. Under that you will find Intel HD graphics. Right click on that and click disable device. Disabling Intel graphics may change your screen resolution and you won't find sleep settings anymore. Now shut down your system, disconnect monitor from motherboard. Now power on your rig. You will see your rig is firing up absolutely fine without a monitor. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more mining related videos and giveaway. Bye.